Hey guys, welcome, and today I brought you this new iPhone SE 2020 second edition, or the remodified iPhone 8. Now it's basically the body of iPhone 8 but with much upgraded hardwares, and that is you can now run in 2020 all the apps you like. Now this video is the first part where we'll be discussing about the features, the hardwares that this iPhone offers, and we'll be doing the second part that will be, maybe I'm planning on next week coming out, will be the full detail for the camera review and the battery life. Now the SE 2020 has a 4.7 inches IPS LCD panel. Now this is good for those who like small cell phones, and this one has a 625 nits of max brightness. Now this can get almost readability under the sunlight, and the phone also, this display supports a true tone technology, which is bring out the true colorness of the image. Now the phone will have a front and back glass panel, which is really looking premium, and to add that touch more, they add the aluminum frame. So the phone is also IP67 dust and water resistant, so you can pretty use it in the rain. And the phone, if you look at it, it does have the Touch ID. So I really like the front facing Touch ID or the side for some phones which has, but I don't like the back or the under display. Well, this looks much better in my case. It's got also a stereo speaker, so one at the earpiece and one at the bottom, 5 rings, so it can give you the stereo surround sound. And the phone also has an NFC, so you can use it for your Apple Pay. And the phone also got the lightning port at the bottom, no headphone jack. So I wish it was a Type-C port, which it's a universal port, but nonetheless Apple still is sticking to the lightning port. Now let's talk about the camera modules. Now at the back side of the phone you will have a main camera, 12 MP, simple and plain, but it does also have a PDAF sensor, so for faster focus. And it does also have the quad flash, LED flash, which is having dual tone also. One is the white and yellowish to capture some warm and nice images. Now the phone also has a front facing camera, well, and it's good. I really don't like the notch, and it's in the upper portion beside the earpiece, and it does have a selfie camera of 8 MP. Now to talk about the video recording and the main camera, it records at 4K maximum 60 fps and 1080p up to 240 fps, that is in the slow-mo mode. Now it does have also one more important feature, and that is the OIS, optical image stabilization. So it's really good when you're like on the run, and it does record some smooth videos. Now at the front it can also record up to 1080p, and it does not have, of course, OIS, but the iPhone rather delivers you an EIS, which is an electronic image stabilization. So within the software itself, it can also stabilize the image when you're video recording. So the SE also has an A13 Bionic chipset and Apple's own 4-core GPU to keep you running. So this phone has a 3GB of RAM, no other options, and it really works well. Now the storage option you get is 3, one is 64, 128 and 256. So the phone also has 1800 about mAh battery, and it does also accepts fast charging, which is rather good, and it does also have a wireless charging, so this thing is really good. So the iPhone SE has an latest iOS, currently running the 14.3. I really like the new software. It does give flexibility with the widgets and many other functions, but nonetheless the iPhone SE 2020 also supports the AirDrop, AirPlay, CarPlay. There are many other functions which the iPhone 11 and 12 offers. This one offers as well. Well, finally, the color for this phone, Apple do offer black, which is this one you can see, white and red. Now keeping in mind, purchasing black will already have a front black color, but while you buy the white color and the red color, the front area is black. So that's the reason I didn't want to go for those colors. So Well, this is it for part 1 iPhone SE 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, give a like, and part 2 is coming out within a week's time to get all the video details for you guys. And anything, if you guys want to know more in the part 2 video, comment below, hurry up and do subscribe to this channel for more. Yeah, part 2, more reviews, more news and more features to be featured in this channel. And see you guys in the next video.